In this lesson, we'll use Prompt Studio to refine prompts that guide large language models or LLMs. We'll start with a basic setup, improve it through iterations, review prompt history, compare outputs, and finally deploy the best version in a workflow. We begin by selecting New, then Prompt Studio from the Contents page of our Getting Started project. We name the prompt Customer Feedback Analysis and select the connection we want to use. In this case, the Azure Dev connection that has been previously created. After clicking Create and Start, we choose Blank Prompt to start from scratch rather than an existing template. Prompt Studio provides two blocks by default, the System Prompt and the User Prompt. The System Prompt, which is optional, defines how the AI should behave across interactions, setting tone, ethics, and general guidance. The User Prompt includes task-specific instructions, such as analyzing customer review sentiment. System prompts set the how and why, while user prompts provide the what. Blocks can be reordered to produce different outputs, added or enabled and disabled, to control what's sent to the LLM during each iteration. We select the GPT-4o model under Connections and add this text to the user prompt. After clicking Test Prompt, we notice the response is too long. What if we wanted just a single word for easier aggregation in production later? Or maybe we want to be able to handle new categories in case customers give ambiguous reviews. We also see that the LLM's response includes feedback not only about the product itself, but also about the delivery service. Since our current goal is to improve the product, not customer service or delivery, we should prompt the LLM to focus only on the product-related parts of the review. At the same time, we also want to enable the LLM to introduce a new category if necessary. With that, let's populate the system prompt block with a few more instructions. We test the prompt again, and the response mixed looks appropriate. We now want to evaluate how our prompt performs across a variety of inputs to ensure reliability at scale. We can do that with input variables. These are placeholders for values sent to the LLM at runtime. Adding inputs can be managed in the system or user prompt blocks by typing 2 square brackets or by clicking on the Add Input button available for each block. Let's try that out. We begin by uploading our dataset. In the Files section, we click Add Data and choose the Customer Reviews table. Back in Prompt Studio, we first hit Refresh to make sure that the data we just added is accessible. Under Input Variables and Dataset Input, we click Add Dataset. We retain test cases as the dataset type, select Customer Reviews as the data, keep the sample ratio as is, and choose the Review column as input before clicking Add. We then edit the user prompt like so. At the data input pop-up, we choose Customer Reviews. This goes into the input variable enclosed in 2 square brackets. Upon clicking on Test Prompt, we can now scroll through the generated responses, evaluate how the LLM handles different cases, and rate outputs that meet our expectations. On the left panel, we can see our iterations stacked over one another. Prompt Studio saves each version, allowing us to revisit earlier attempts. We can rate responses and add notes to identify well-performing prompts more easily. To choose the best prompt, we click on the Compare tab and open the expanded view. We then select the prompt iterations we want to review. Once we've identified the strongest prompt, we save it so it can be used in workflows or further refined as needed. Now that we've finalized our prompt, we're ready to put it into action. We click Use And Prompt Studio automatically takes us to Workflow Studio, where the configured prompt is placed into a new workflow ready for integration. This can be deployed as a REST API, allowing other systems to automatically send new customer feedback for real-time sentiment classification. In this lesson, we learned how to create and refine prompts in Prompt Studio using LLMs. We walked through setting up a system and user prompt, iterated to improve its output, and tested the prompt on a dataset of customer reviews. We explored how to track changes, compare prompt versions, and finally, how to deploy the best performing prompt into a workflow for real-world use.